Hello and welcome to SINFT. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Today we're in episode 7. In this episode, I'll make a brief introduction of our suction filter element. Suction filter element is a kind of filter device installed below the oil level in the oil tank, mainly used to filter out solid particles and gelatinous substances in the working medium. This filter element filter material is usually made of glass fiber or stainless steel when mesh welded, with high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and other characteristics, and can be repeatedly cleaned and used. The role of the suction filter element is to protect the hydraulic system from solid particles and colloidal substances, to ensure the normal operation of the system and extend the service life. Our products in this series have passed various tests, such as high viscosity AP, pressure drop, high temperature, flow fatigue, used oil analysis, 24/7 component durability test, fluid compatibility. These test results confirm the rationality and reliability of the product design, ensuring its excellent performance in various complex environments and application scenarios. Media characterization testing. These tests are crucial for determining the suitability of media materials for specific applications. They provide essential data for quality assurance, ensuring that the materials meet industry standards and performance requirements. By evaluating these parameters, manufacturers and optimize material selection and enhance product reliability and effectiveness in various industrial and environmental conditions. The curves were plotted using mineral oil with a density of 0.86 kilograms per cubic decimeter in accordance with the ISO 3968 standard. Our range of products meets all the above test standards and international certifications, so our products have both beautiful and practical properties. Our suction filter elements come in various product series, each tailored to meet specific industrial needs. Whether you require high-capacity absorption for heavy-duty applications or specialized designs for unique environmental challenges, our diverse product lines ensure there's a solution to enhance your operational efficiency and meet stringent performance standards. The following are our range of products. The suction filter element play a crucial role in enhancing operational efficiency and environmental stewardship across various sectors. Their ability of efficiently remove oils from liquids, making them indispensable in maintaining clean processes and minimizing environmental impact. As the industries continue to prioritize sustainability and efficiency, demand for these specialized filtration solutions is expected to grow, driving further innovation and application development. For more specific information, please visit SINFT official website. See you next time!